this video, I'll show you how to use Mockup in Canva Mobile. Open your design in Canva Mobile, tap the Elements button at the bottom. Search for Mockup and select the Mockups category. Browse available mockups and tap your preferred one to add it to the page. Resize and position the mockup as needed. Go to your uploads, select an image, and add it to the page. Drag and drop the image directly into the mockup frame. Double tap the image inside the frame to adjust its size and position. Tap Done to finalize. That's how you use mockups in Canva Mobile. If this helped, tap like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.